Atlantic Ocean in Nigeria. All right. Get this at the back of your mind. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world after Pacific Ocean. The size of Atlantic Ocean is 106.5 million kilometer square. This is the size of Atlantic Ocean. Meanwhile, the size of Africa, all the land in Africa, is 30.37 million kilometer square. What does this mean? Atlantic Ocean is bigger than the whole of Africa joined together. The whole of Africa land is 30.37 million kilometer square. The whole of Atlantic Ocean is 106.5 million kilometer square. That is the massiveness of Atlantic Ocean. Anyway, that is for that. Atlantic Ocean in Nigeria. Which place will you go to if you feel like seeing this Atlantic Ocean? If you feel like having a touch with Atlantic Ocean, where do you go to in Nigeria? You go to Lagos State. If you go to Lagos State, you will see Atlantic Ocean. You can go to Akwa Ibom State. Ibom Beach, you will see Atlantic Ocean. If you go to Ogun State, you will have a touch with Atlantic Ocean. If you go to Ondo State, you will see Atlantic Ocean. If you go to Delta State, you will see Atlantic Ocean. If you go to Bayelsa State, surely you will see Atlantic Ocean. If you go to Rivers State, you will see Atlantic Ocean. If you go to Cross River State, you will see Atlantic Ocean. If you go to Edo State, you will also see Atlantic Ocean. So these are 9 states in Nigeria that if you feel like, seeing the Atlantic Ocean now, you go to any of these 9 states, they will take you where the Atlantic Ocean borders. The highest stretch of Atlantic Ocean in Nigeria is in Akwa Ibom State. Akwa Ibom has the highest stretch of Atlantic. In fact, if you want to see Atlantic Ocean very well, go to Akwa Ibom. Highly recommended. So these are where you will find the Atlantic Ocean in Nigeria. Have you learned anything? Focus here. Look at this place. Look at the size, the massiveness of Atlantic Ocean. Look at the size of Africa. 54 countries in Africa, including territories, joined together. Look at them. Then look at Atlantic Ocean. Hang around this page. You will learn a lot of things. Kindly share this video and follow for more.